got something. Come over here. Here, Brooklyn. Okay, Brooklyn. I have something for you for Valentine's Day. I love you.
One more time, Daddy. Move.
Give me one more kiss, Brooklyn. Brooklyn, one more kiss. Okay, ready? See it? You want me to open it for you? Come over here, bring it to me. You must have liked it. You took off running. You know what it is? You know what's in here?
What is it, Sissy? Did Daddy get it for you?
Yes.
Oh, he did. Tell him thanks.
Thanks.
Tell Daddy, say I love you.
Thank you.
Are you excited, Brooklyn?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, Daddy's getting it.
Me. Let's see what's in here.
Let's see, Brooklyn. Daddy picked this out just for you. Wow. No, wait. Okay. We'll put it on.